And we are getting in some breaking news coming in from Telangana this time. Well, the Telangana government has roped in the Indian Air Force, and as they are using the military aircraft to replenish the supplies of medical oxygen in the state. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Shivani, who's also joining us live. Shivani, over to you. This is certainly one more step that we are seeing that the state governments are taking to rope in now the Indian Air Force aircrafts as well to supply of medical oxygen.
Richa, exactly that's what we are witnessing, that in the hour of crisis, the defense forces are stepping up and the Indian Air Force is being used in most of the states to enhance the speed of the medical supply, especially of oxygen. And here what we see is the oxygen carriers that are being carried by the Indian Air Force crafts, be it the AN-32 or the IL-76, C-17. So they are all used to carry these containers and take them to all those places where they can be refilled and moved faster to all those hospitals and cities and different states where the oxygen is required by the hospitals. And in Telangana also we are witnessing the same. We've seen how these huge containers are being carried. These are empty containers that are being carried by the aircrafts. And we must make it very clear that filled containers cannot be transported by the Indian Air Force crafts because they are not safe. So to cut that transport time, the Indian Air Force is carrying these empty containers to all those facilities where the oxygen can be filled and they can move further to the respective states, cities, places and hospitals wherever the oxygen is required. So this is to cut the time, to speed up the process, and that's what we are witnessing in Telangana. Also, the government has roped in the Indian Air Force aircrafts where the containers are being sent, the empty containers are being sent to Bhubaneswar. From there, they will refill the oxygen and move on to other places wherever the oxygen is required. Richa.
All right, thank you so much, Shivani, for getting us that input. Several steps that are now being taken by states across the country, and this time from Telangana, that has now roped in the Indian Air Force aircrafts for lifting of and supplying of the medical oxygen.